Yeah. Yeah. On my way.
Seriously? It's a holiday.
I guess I'll take a holiday. Watch us sleep.
I was hoping we could talk.
Yeah, I gotta go.
So you're still upset?
I'm not upset. I'm just late. Call you later.
Shipping center has been non-operational for the last 6 months. Since its closure, it's become a favorite location for Sao Paulo locals to conduct their business. They pretty much come and go as they pleased with minimal resistance. That ends today. Late last night, a shipping container arrived at Monfel from Bogota. Due to the amount of chatter, DEA believes that this could be their largest shipment of contraband to date. The source couldn't identify exactly what was coming in, so whether it's money, arms, or the ghost of Pablo Escobar, be ready. Secure the scene, help find the container. Once you've done that, you all can go enjoy your holiday.
We're just barbecuing. It's a whole thing. How about you?
I don't really have any plans.
You should come over.
Yeah?
Yeah, Carly and Becky'd love to see you. Not me, I'm sick to death of you.
Sorry to ruin your holiday.
You ruin every day, Elle. Why should today be the exception?
Don't call me Elle.
When did this come down?
Got the call from DEA a little after 2. Why?
A little short notice.
You've had shorter.
Yeah.
Don't get that big brain of yours thinking, Travis. It only gets you in trouble.
Inspiring as always.
And don't fuck up.
Let's go.
Hello.
What's this?
What we're looking for.
Pretty.
Hey, Chu. Why don't you come down to the beach later? Having a party.
Yeah, I got plans.
That's your loss.
Benson, why would she want to go to your party?
Aren't you too old for this shit?
Just entering my prime.
Yo, Benson, I'm not doing anything. How come I didn't get an invite?
Remember what happened the last time you came to my house?
No.
Ask his wife.
All right, simmer down. Simmer down. A little calm before the storm levity.
There's not gonna be a storm.
Makes you say that.
Because they've been getting a bit lazy. We let them do a few scores, and now they feel safe.
Well, I guess we got all dolled up for nothing. I don't give a damn what the EA says. We go in heavy, stay frosty. Watch each other's backs, stick to the plan, stay tight. Let's do this.
Drop the phone and keep your hands where I can see them.
That was sloppy, Chew. Oh, we have guard 1 on lockdown. Surveillance is ours.
Copy.
The yard's clear. We got another guard on the east side stairwell.
Hey, now!
Please.
How many others are there?
No hablo inglés.
Sophie, anything?
Nothing. I thought this was supposed to be a shipping yard. I don't see any containers.
Copy that.
Come on. You have to do that?
Sorry. No hablo inglés.
You sure this is the right place?
This is the place.
Let's go.
Jackpot.
Copy, where are you?
Outside. Northwest side of the warehouse.
Copy. Word, stay where you are. Everyone else meet at the shipping container.
Copy that.
Look to your left.
Copy. Straight ahead, guys.
All Anchor 10-12 hostiles are coming in hot from inside the warehouse. Take cover! Take cover! got you covered. Go! Gotta get her out! Stay down. It's gonna be okay.
Are you hit?
Just got the fast. Cover! Go, go, go! Now you're both being sloppy. You owe me a beer. Let go! Let go!
Help here.
My arm!
Yard secure.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Fuck.
It's a fucking suicide vest.
What are you wearing this shit for?
Go fuck yourself.
Side secure. What the fuck?
I need an ambulance.
I'm on it.
Fuck. Bill. Bill.
We got Phoenix. Let me see if it went through your vest. Gotcha.
It's not gonna be a storm.
I don't know why some crazy motherfucker would put on a suicide vest. That's not our problem anymore. All right, fine.
That one's Diego. He won't shut up. And the guy we cut down's not talking.
What do I say?
Excuse me. Send in a wagon.
What? Why?
She wants us to bring him in.
I thought this was DEA.
Yeah, well, the DEA guys are dead, and she can't get a hold of brass. Fucking fourth. So if she does, we hang on to him.
We should keep him. Fuck the DA. Fuck them all. These assholes killed Phil. They should defer to us.
We're bringing him in.
What a mess.
Most people are under the impression that since the southern states were in favor of slavery, that they were the ones who insisted on the 3/5 compromise found in Article 1, Section 2 of the Constitution, that determined that slaves are only worth 3/5 a person. It was, in fact, the North that did this. The South would have loved to have counted each slave twice. And the North, rightly so, didn't believe that the slaves that didn't have the right to vote should count equally to those that did. That would have given the South more power to put their influence on the North.
And what's your point?
I thought we were chatting. Yes.
You've come an awful long way for nothing.
It's not that far. Who is this?
Just listen. Diego fucked up. He lost Scorpion.
And you have him?
Not that simple, but I know where he is and how to get him. 50 million. We both know he's worth 10 times that.
I don't think this is a game you want to play. You don't know who
I'll
you're
be in
dealing
touch with instructions.
with. 200 years ago, it was so much easier to buy a human being. Check out his story.
If it's true.
It's a fucking scorpion. I don't want to lose him. Not now. Not again.
York. We're shorthanded today. Help Sophie and them process our 2 guests.
Got it, man.
My arm!
Yeah, fucking broke!
Move.
Thought I made myself clear this morning.
We got jumped. And not
So
by
you
some...
say that, and all I hear is that you weren't prepared. So what happened, Travis? You and your team take it easy because it's a holiday?
What was the DEA onto?
What do you mean?
Oh, come on, Ellen. This is so fucked. Clearly they weren't honest with us.
All we know is what they told us. They were acting on a tip that 500 million in SBL product was being moved through Monfell.
And what's it turn out to be? A guy in a box protected by heavily fucking armed Sao Paulo local soldiers.
Their tip was wrong. What do you want me to say? It doesn't make them fucking liars.
So what do we do now?
I have calls in. No one's around. Until we get answers, we sit tight.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna go talk to them.
No, you're not. You're gonna leave them be. They're the Fed's problem.
Jesus Christ. Phil is dead. Don't you want to know why?
Right now, all I'm thinking about is what I'm gonna tell his family.
Elevator to lobby. Fine. Lobby, please. What's the sudden stop, boy? Somebody could get hurt. It's a big plate. And they've got their Christmas decorations.
Nicholas.
Mr. C, I wasn't, Make yourselves at home. Welcome. Oh, I just...
Nicholas, did you do what I asked?
Yes, I did. Let me just show you. So I was able to tap into a security cam across from the shipping center.
Where did they take him?
SWAT's got him back at their place. It's their renovated training facility way out in the middle of nowhere. Sounds like the paint isn't even dry yet.
How do you know?
I heard it on my police scanner.
Well done, Nicholas. Now, can you trace the number that called this phone? Find out who and where they are?
I can try.
Try hard.
Of course, no problem.
Melissa, Phil pulled Phoenix out of harm's way just before he got shot. He was a hero. Yes. You have my word. Whoever's responsible for this is gonna pay.
Sorry, I can't leave now.
No, I understand. Should I cancel today?
No, don't do that.
You okay?
Yeah. Travis,
Yeah.
I'm really sorry.
I love you. It's our turn in the neighborhood to host the holiday barbecue, so Carly's at home making food for 22 kids and their parents. What's up?
Elson called. Said to come down. Carly's still mad at you?
She's not mad at me.
Sorry, man, I'm on her side.
Well, there's no side. She's not mad at me. Besides, you can't be on her side. You're my partner. It's a brotherhood.
Yeah, but Carly's like my sister, and sisterhood trumps brotherhood, so...
bullshit.
Look, you decided before you got married that you only wanted one kid, right?
Yeah, that was like 10 years ago.
But then out of the blue, you say you want another kid.
Yeah, I said maybe we could think about having another kid, and then it became this whole...
Do you want to know what she heard? You want to have another baby. A baby that she's going to have to carry for 9 months, and then she's going to have to walk away from work again after everything she's accomplished. She's going to be the one to wake up 10 times a night to feed and change the kid because you're always off doing this.
She heard all that with maybe?
Yes.
I don't know. Fuck, no, dude. It just keeps coming up with an error. I don't know. It's some sort of remote access bug. Have you ever seen it? Yeah, I tried that. Oh, are you kidding me? Yes, I have that in the queue.
While we're young.
I gotta go. Please don't touch that.
What do you got?
Our friend Diego is a bad dude from Honduras, okay? Joined the Sao Paulo Locos, more commonly known as the SBL, when he was 6. He's now a friggin' lieutenant.
Okay, what about our mystery man?
Scorpion?
Is that what we're calling him?
Yeah, for now. Not on him. He's not in any active database.
What about other databases?
Such as?
FBI, CIA, DOD?
I don't have clearance to tap those.
Yeah, but you could probably do it without clearance, right?
Are you asking me or telling me?
There's no way a guy protected by SPL's best is a ghost. Just find out who he is.
You got it, boss.
Hey, put Diego in room 1. Get him to talk. Have Ward listen in.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go talk to Scorpion.
Dwyer's gonna lose her shit.
Let me worry about Dwyer.
Hey, Diego. We meet again.
Broke my fucking arm.
I gave you the choice to have your arm broken or not. You chose poorly. Now, explain something to me. Why would a lieutenant be put on babysitting duty?
Did they demote you, Diego?
Go fuck yourself, puta.
Who's the man in the box?
Wanna know who he is? Es el diablo. That's who he is. Fucking devil.
Want something to drink? You need a medic. It's a holiday, but I could have it arranged.
Am I being charged with a crime?
It depends.
On?
Who are you?
Have you asked Diego who I am?
What's that?
She said that this is going to happen.
Who said
She
what?
said that they would come from and that he would escape.
Who would escape? Diego.
You're fucking dead and you don't know it. You tell them I did this, okay? You tell them I did it.
Hey, stop! Diego, stop! Help! I need some help in here!
Perhaps you should attend to that.
Stop it!
fuck happened?
He just impaled himself.
Kidding me.
Fuck me.
Who the fuck are you?
You have blood on your hands.
Answer the question.
Did you kill him?
No. He killed himself.
Cracked his skull wide open. We do not have much time.
I'm not asking again.
What is important is that you listen. You may think the events of today were in error, but I assure you, my friend, they were not.
You better start answering my questions.
I have information in my head worth billions of dollars.
What kind of information?
The kind that can set the world on fire.
Jesus Christ, enough with the fucking riddles.
Fine, here is the truth. Very soon, you will be told that officers from a federal agency are here to take me into custody. They are not what they say they are. Do not let these men take me. Do this, and I will help you to survive what is coming next.
FBI's here for him now.
What?
I told you I had calls in. We're handing him over so we can all go home.
Did they say who he was?
A known terrorist. Someone they've been after for a while.
Where are they?
Lobby.
I'll take care of it. I'll get him, bring him to him, pass him off. Gentlemen, you're here for the prisoner.
Commander Hall, I'm Agent Franklin. This is my partner, Agent Cox.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem. We appreciate you hanging on to our guy.
Right this way. It's funny, I thought all you FBI guys used Berettas.
These are our personal weapons.
On the job?
It's a holiday.
So, what'd this guy do to get on your database, anyway?
Terrorist stuff. Things we're not at liberty to discuss.
Terrorist stuff. What's his name? Come on. His name can't be a matter of national security. Well, look, it's clear you guys aren't FBI, so no fooling. Who are you?
Just hand the prisoner over.
Not until I get some answers.
You are dead, motherfucker.
Don't touch! Now!
Now!
Hands on your head.
Knees. You all right, Commander?
Got him?
Yeah, we got him.
Commander? Commander!
You trust me now?
Hooks! Hands on your head. Let's go.
Hearing, Commander?
Yeah.
Keep moving.
Jeez, cowboy. I'm going to enjoy watching you die.
Shut the fuck up.
Everything happened the way he said it would. Our mystery man's not even in the FBI's database.
Wait, how do you know that? You hacked the FBI database?
Just a bit. Look, on the way to the shipping center, I made a crack to Agent Weir about this being the calm before the storm, and he said there wasn't gonna be a storm. I don't think these guys were expecting any resistance, which is odd, don't you think?
It doesn't matter what I think. There is a protocol that needs to be followed when something
Fuck
like
the
this happens.
protocol, Ellen! This isn't the end of it. We lost enough of our guys today. I don't want to lose any more. Now, you're a cop, right? At least you were before you put the jacket on. What does your gut tell you?
Let's see what he has to say.
You know this man? He actually just tried to kill me to get to you.
I've never seen him before, but I know more like him will be coming. Many more.
Why won't you tell us your name?
That is for your protection. Lest you know.
Yeah. The ink on your back's definitely not Sao Paulo Locos, nor does it rep any of their rivals, so you're clearly not a part of that game. My guess is you're special ops. You've been tortured, and from the looks of it, more than once. You could have easily escaped our compound, but you chose not to. Why? You need our protection. Because everyone and their mother's coming after you. Because what you know could cause blowback.
It is far more complicated than that.
Fill me in here. What am I missing? Because I believe you when you say that more like that guy are coming. But you're going to have to square up with me if you want us to do more than just turn you over.
You were correct about special ops, but that was only in the beginning. I quickly realized that information was true power.
So you're a spy.
And I had the goods on everyone.
What is it?
I traced the cell phone.
Who is it?
I don't have a who, but I have where the call originated from.
Okay, so what happened? How'd you end up in our cell?
I made a mistake in Bogota.
Okay, so why'd they capture you? Why didn't they kill you?
To facilitate my sale.
Bullshit. The SPL knows their lane. They're not dumb enough to trade in that game.
No, but others do.
Who then?
Unsure. But one thing I am sure of. Someone from your team is involved.
Nicholas, who are these people? Show me who we're up against.
Where are you going, Travis? Commander?
I'm moving him.
Where? You're not going alone. The whole team should be in on this.
No. Just me.
What are you, crazy? That doesn't make any sense.
Nothing about today makes sense. If I tell you where I'm going, they could get it out of you.
They wouldn't be able to.
They're coming for him, Soph. And they're not gonna stop. I'm not gonna let another person I care about die today.
They know he's here. They could be watching the compound. I'll have Elson review the area.
Thanks. Moving you.
Moving me will not keep them from coming for me.
No, but it'll keep them from my team. And that's my priority. That's how it's gotta be.
Yo, Commander, what's going on? Hey, just saw Hall taking Scorpion out.
What do you mean out?
It's him.
Hello?
Listen to me carefully. You don't have much time.
How we looking?
Yeah, everything looks good. No unusual activity.
Remote access error. What is that?
That? I don't know. That has been bugging me all day.
I'm in position.
Did you disable the camera that shows our sniper?
Actually, what I did was record a bunch of footage before he got there and just have it playing back on a continuous loop.
A simple yes would suffice.
Is he clear?
Yes. Yes.
Think they're watching?
They are definitely watching.
Travis, stop! What are you doing?
You said you didn't want anyone else to die.
Yeah. And that included you.
I really want them safe. Let's go. I was personally put in charge of Lendemont's protection. Know who that is?
The mafia accountant.
Trial lasted 5 months, no less than 20 bounties on his head. Never got one scratch into my watch.
Wait, wasn't he assassinated shortly after the trial?
Oh, that was on witness protection, not me. Watch your head.
Just wait till they clear the compound and then take out the driver.
If anyone kills Scorpion, they die next.
Roger that.
They're leaving the facility.
Take him out.
You'd be wise to take cover.
What?
They're under attack.
We gotta go. Dwyer, where are you going?
To help.
You're not sealed. Help from here.
Find out where the backup is!
This is Seattle SWAT. We are under heavy attack and need immediate assistance.
Roger that, Seattle SWAT. Hang tight. Backup's on its way.
Commander.
I've got the shot.
Not on my shift, motherfucker.
him get away!
Commander, nice for you to join us.
Son of a bitch.
Back to the compound. Move it now!
Holy fuck.
Everyone inside! Serious, I'm on the roof!
Go! Go!
Wire, shut us down!
I'm on it.
Shut us down now!
What part of we need him alive do they not understand? Are those shields?
Well, you have to admire their resilience.
Nicholas, can you open them?
It's one thing to hack into their comms and cameras, but the shields are controlled by the internal mainframe. They need to be taken out before I can do anything.
Find a way past those shields. Leave the rest to me. In the meantime, kill the power. Kill everything. Ready the next wave, and let's see how resilient they truly are.
Got that?
Where's the backup, Elson? What the fuck happened? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up, hold up. What are you doing?
I assure you, Inspector, what is out there is far more dangerous to you than me.
They're only dangerous to us because of you. You brought this to our door, all of it. And I can end it right now.
And you think killing me will stop this war?
Alan, this isn't who we are.
Now what?
What's going on, Elson?
Yeah, they cut the comm and the power, and judging by the signal display on my cell, they're jamming the cell tower, too.
Fuck. Any satellite phones on site?
Yeah, none that are working.
Why are the security cameras working but not the internet or phones?
Well, in cases like these, you always want to see, so we put security on a separate circuit on the internal mainframe.
And they would want to see as well.
They hacked the security cameras.
They can do that?
It's not that hard.
For somebody who's good enough, it's not.
Elson, cut the interior security cameras. Don't let them see what we're doing here.
Copy that.
You must get this through your skulls. These are professional soldiers. They will isolate you, intimidate you until they find your weakest link, and then exploit it.
thought you said the phones were out.
They are.
Hello?
Commander Hall?
Yeah.
I'm the man in control of the small army sitting on your doorstep.
Do you have a moment to chat? If you want to put me on speaker, go ahead. I understand. Everyone should hear. I should have done this earlier. You would have saved us all a lot of time, sweat, and blood.
I have your compound surrounded, your power, your network.
All of your communications are down. No one knows that you're in trouble, and no one's coming to help. Your officer spoke to my associate, Simone. Not
a dispatch operator.
Hello.
The man you pulled out of a box belongs to me.
hand him over, and I'll go away.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Can't do it.
Scorpion.
I know you're listening. Tell these people who I am.
His name is Lars Cohagen. He runs a private military corporation that specializes in dark ops.
You mean like the kind that overthrows small countries?
Some not so small.
Now that we're all in the know, why did you come on out and spare the lives of these nice people?
Let them return to their homes and enjoy what's left of their holiday. They could still catch the fireworks.
How many times are we going to go through this?
This is it. This is our last dance.
I've heard this before.
Commander Hall, the man you're protecting is a consummate liar.
His skills of deception supersede even mine. In fact, I will guarantee that he's lying to you right now.
Has he told you that there's one in your organization that's against you? Or that he has information that could set the world ablaze? He is a liar.
And a killer, and nothing more. All your problems go away if you just turn him over.
And I already told you, I'm not doing that.
Commander, so this stranger's life is more important to you than your team's? What about Daniel Chu?
David Jefferson, Louis and Marie Gutierrez,
Carly and Rebecca? Is Scorpion's life worth more to you than their lives?
are all their lives
Worth Scorpions to you?
Enough! I'm coming out.
But before I do,
I want your guarantee. No harm comes to anyone here, nor their families.
You have my word.
I will be out in 10 minutes.
you better be.
Commander, try the phone again. Maybe we have a live line out.
No. You're not giving yourself up.
I never said I was. I only said I was coming out.
You think you can take on his whole army alone?
I work best alone.
With the shields down, this place can withstand a full-scale riot. You don't have to go.
Oh, hold on a second. I'm confused. Are you giving yourself up or not?
He's not. We can't let
Yes, we can't. Did you not see that army out there? We just lost Phil and Benson. And I'm not planning to join them today because of this son of a bitch.
You heard him, Commander. He's threatening our families, and there's no way to call for backup. This guy's a fucking liar. He could be playing us all. I say let him go.
No. We're not giving in to this Lars asshole. Not after all that's happened. Look, it ain't his fault that some lunatic's shooting up the building.
Maybe it is. We don't know.
Scorpion could have escaped or killed us several times over. He didn't. I believe him.
That just might mean that he needed our help to survive. That doesn't disprove anything that Lars said.
Believe Lars when he says he will stop at nothing to find a way inside to get me. If I do not come out now, that army outside, those phony agents, they are just the tip of the iceberg.
You're right. We'll put you by the back door. Only it won't be you.
In theory, it should work. I loaded everything you'll need on a laptop. You should be good to go.
I want to thank you for your assistance today, Nicholas.
Oh, my pleasure, sir.
Did you know that Scorpion and I used to be partners?
Right, you were saying.
It was great for a while. And then 5 years ago in Berlin, he betrayed me. After all we'd been through. You know, and I knew it. I knew something was wrong, but I didn't react in time. And since then, I've taken greater precaution in my business dealings because no matter how much you think you know someone, they can stab you in the back. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think so.
Good.
All right, let me get this straight. You want to raise the door shields and let the army in. That's your plan.
Not let them in, lure them close, then ambush them. Why won't that work?
Because it's batshit crazy.
Well, there's no way we're turning this man over to mercenaries. Once they're in the courtyard, we've got them trapped.
How do you figure that?
The back door is located in the deepest part of the courtyard, here. Now, about 3 dozen office windows look down onto it. That's where we'll be. We'll make them think we're handing you over. To sell it, Elson will figure out a way to open the rear entrance shield. Now, once they get eyes on the bait, they're gonna move in underneath our hidden positions. And that's when we hit them. They'll be sitting ducks.
This is the first time the shields have ever been activated. I've never done, nor am I even sure that isolated openings will work as you described them.
Yeah, well, we'll figure it out.
They'll be expecting something like that.
Yeah, well, this is our only option. You got us boxed in. We can't call out. You said it yourself. It's only a matter of time till he finds his way inside. At least this way, it's on our own terms. Look, guys, this isn't in order. I'm not forcing you into this. But I, for one, don't want to sit around and let someone else determine my fate. If I'm going out, it's going to be on my terms, not theirs.
If this is what you want, I would need firepower.
You got every weapon known to man. What exactly are you looking for?
I will know it when I see it.
We aim to please. In the meantime, spread out and load up.
Just because I'm browsing don't mean I'm giving up on you, baby. What the fuck do you do with that?
You don't want anything to do with that. That's when you got nothing left to live for. Hey. Oh, never mind.
What did you find? Excellent.
Why? Our regular radios still work.
He may have already tapped into those frequencies. He will not be able to do so with his model.
Okay, everyone grab one.
You gotta change. How'd you get the name Scorpion anyway? I assume that's not on your birth certificate.
You are assuming I have a birth certificate.
All right, you're not gonna tell me your name. At least you can tell me how you know Lars Cohagen.
We were once partners. I never said I was a good man, Commander, just good at what I do. You do not know me, Commander. You should not be taking this risk.
Even holiday double time ain't enough to deal with this shit today.
You know, the job is risk. It's not about or for you. Not any longer. Our guy's blood's been spilled today. Someone's gonna pay for that.
There is one thing you have not addressed. The person on the inside who was working against us. When they attacked the van, they were waiting for us. Someone told Lars you were taking me from the compound.
2-minute warning.
Copy that. Everyone get in position.
We go on my call.
Copy that. Good luck.
Never really believed in luck.
Well, good luck anyway. Everyone set? Everyone know what they're doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So if you remember Suffolk a few years back?
Yeah.
It's another supposedly cakewalk mission that turned into a shit show. Was it 40 gangbangers against 8 SWAT? I tell people I never know how we survived that night. But I do know. We're SWAT. We're the baddest motherfuckers on earth. Let's get in position. Take care of each other.
You know, the least you could have done was given us the microchip in case we needed to barter it for our lives.
There's no microchip. It's in his head. Hey, make sure we're in position before you pull
Hey,
it.
it's not my first rodeo.
Don't fuck up.
How are we looking?
When we get to go, all I gotta do is hit enter and it'll raise the shield by the rear entrance.
But not the rest of the building.
Right, just the rear entrance. In theory.
In theory.
In theory.
No sign of Scorpion.
Commander, is your team ready?
Let's go around the horn.
Hux, set.
Jefferson, set.
York, set.
Gutierrez, set.
2 set.
Ward, are you in position? Ward?
Sorry, I was using the wrong mic.
We're all set.
Raise the shield.
Copy.
It worked.
Right on time.
We're opening the shields by the rear entrance.
Move in.
Here they come. Get ready.
Third floor window.
What is that?
Morse code. Pull everyone back.
It's a trap.
Everyone move back now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. He's stopping. Why is he stopping? Hey!
What just happened? Everybody fall back to the command center.
Copy. Everyone fall back.
Elson, shut down the rear shields.
I'm on it.
Where's everybody else?
Ward, I don't know.
Scorpion's MIA.
Dwyer left a few minutes ago.
Where?
We saw this flashing light at the third floor window, and she just bolted.
Flashing light. Which window?
Right there.
Stay here and keep an eye on everything outside.
Where are you going?
And find the big guy.
Scorpion, come in. Scorpion, do you copy?
Get up. I'm gonna let you out of here. You're gonna tell Lars I'm gonna find another way to give him Scorpion. No one else needs to die.
Shit, it was you. Yeah, I'll tell him. Lead the way.
The amount is the same upon delivery. 50 million, that hasn't changed.
50 million, sweet fucking payday for a cop.
Those DEA assholes are always skimming off the top. It's about time I got some.
Of course it is.
And hey, this fucking mess is Halt's fault. If you had just handed over Scorpion.
What the hell's the plan on getting me out of here?
We're gonna cut the auxiliary power to the internal mainframe. Once the shields are up, Lars can take care of the rest.
Where the controls located?
Engineering room.
Thanks.
Ward?
Fuck!
Ellen. You all right?
Yeah. It was Ward. I saw him talking to Franklin before Franklin killed him.
Where'd he go?
In there.
What just happened?
Fucking security feed's been cut. We're blind outside now, too.
I thought you said the feed was internal.
It is. Without it, I've lost control of our security system.
All right, what does that mean?
What I mean is the same crazy fuck that's been attacking us all day can pop open our shields, and there is nothing that we can do about it.
Here.
What the fuck is happening?
Shields are racing.
Can you stop it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Travis! Intel from Berlin.
Dead or alive no longer matters. I will go in there and fucking kill him myself if I have to! Go!
Everyone move in. Shoot to kill Scorpion on site.
Oh, shit.
Everyone fall back.
Come on.
Let's go.
Go, 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 go! Elson, come on.
After those guys! Let's go!
Clear! Move, 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 move! Let's go, let's go!
Later, bitches!
Get over yourself.
Duck.
Oh, you want that kind of firepower.
I have something to show you. The way out. I found a maintenance tunnel.
Yeah, it's been sealed.
Not anymore.
Nope. Fuck that.
Hey, it's either that or you go back out there to face a bunch of badass dudes shooting at you.
All right, give me a boost.
Right behind you, Allison.
Okay.
Travis.
I'm going after Dwyer. There's no way I'm leaving one of our own behind. Get him to safety, okay?
You don't know how many of those fuckers are still crawling around up there. Or if she's even alive.
I'm gonna be fine. Go on.
Well, I'm not letting you go alone.
He won't be.
I'll call for backup as soon as I can.
You don't have to do this.
I know.
You didn't have to come back just for us.
I didn't.
everybody cleared out.
Unlikely. Lars would never give up.
At least I got you.
Now let us see if you can finish the job.
Hey. Hey. What happened?
It's over. Good guys won.
You lost York and Jefferson.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
What about Scorpion?
Yeah, he's still alive. Somehow.
Still no signal?
Gutierrez said she'd call it in when they got out. Cell towers must still be jammed. But shouldn't be too long now. Which means you need to disappear.
I don't know if I have it in me to run anymore. I am constantly running. That and all the people trying to kill me. It's exhausting.
You got all that money in your head. Why not just retire?
As blood money. As a matter of fact.
Dude, what the fuck?
Take it.
What the hell is it?
It's what all the fuss is about.
Microchip. What's in your head? It's clever.
And now, it's better in your hands.
Late last night, a shipping container arrived at Montville from Bogota.
Yeah, what did it turn out to be? A guy in a box.
You know, the least he could have done was given us the microchip in case we needed to barter it for our lives.
There's no microchip.
Ellen, what are you doing?
Nothing personal, Travis. You should have just handed Scorpion over, Travis. No one was supposed to get hurt. You should have just let it go.
Don't. Don't. It's over.
Good?
Yeah.
FBI was on to her, and she knew. I never liked her.
What is that?
Souvenir.
Excuse me, Commander. Can I ask you to come and identify the body? Is this the man known as Scorpion?
That's
him. Okay, take him away, guys.
Is there something you want to tell me?
Yeah, but for your protection, I better not. The less you know.
Hey, hon. How's the party going?
Travis, oh my God. I've been worried sick. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm on my way. Tell you about it when I get home, okay? I love you.
Purple.
P-U-R-P-L-E. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Hi, Daddy.
Hey, sweetheart. Oh,
You look like you could use a beer.
we're 20.
Hey.
Hey.
What's this?
This is enough. For me. Just you and her. I don't need anything more.
But I'm pregnant.
Are you kidding me?
Surprise.
Is that what you were trying to tell me? Did you know about this? Yeah, I could tell. The two of you.
All here.
Commander, we got a real shit show brewing at the Capitol building in downtown Olympia. We need you and your team on scene ASAP.